My bag. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, so I want to take you guys on this vlog that I'm doing. I think this is going to be the last vlog for January. So I have free class that I'm organizing, and today is the first day. It ends tomorrow. So I'm currently preparing to start going to the location so that we'll put everything, we'll finalize everything. Then class is going to start by 10. I'm going to take you guys along the way I can. You get aside that, let me go and prepare. I'll see you guys soon. So guys, this my slippers, what I'm going to wear today. My bag is okay, YSL. The L is broken, so it's YSE. Then this is my dress for today. I know you've already seen this one in like 2 previous vlogs, you get. So this is what I'm going to wear. Then this is my tripod. I'm going to take it there. Then this is what is in my bag. The Sego Ashoke pin and my glasses. So that is that. I'm going to show you when I'm fully dressed. I want you to be in my video now. Me, I'm still, don't worry, I'll see. Oh, life of the vlog. As in the show myself for road. Have you seen it? Vlog. Are you seeing yourself? All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. So I work hard, put it in my way. You're only young one, let's go crazy. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need money. Some of us need purpose to overcome. Now, we've done this side, but there's something I want to show you. You can stand up so that you like to ensure that this place is properly locked. I'll just have to pin it here. But if you're doing it on somebody, you just don't make it here. Just pin it. When we are done with this other side, I'll show you the final. I brought it for you. No, you are going too far. We tie it now, so it's been around here. See, you are rushing away from your thumb too fast.
Really?
Yes. Then use your index finger to push the material up. The one that is at the back.
The one that is
as you did like that now, your index finger, this one.
No, my index finger.
Yes, as it's at the back, you use it to raise the fabric up. Then you place to move to go like this.
Yeah.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better